Hello. So this video is the proof of Heron's formula to find the area of a triangle. Okay. So we will prove the Heron's formula. Now, so we find the area of the triangle when the length of all the three sides are known. When you know all the three sides of the triangle, the area can be found. And this method was formulated by Heron, so it is known as the Heron's formula. So let us see the figure first. So this is the figure. ABC is a triangle. The length of side AC is B. Length of side AB is C. Length of side BC is A. This way, why I have named it is this is in front of angle A, the side length is A. In front of angle B, the side length is B. And in front of angle C, the side length is C. From B, have dropped a vertical that is a perpendicular to the side CA, and so this is a perpendicular, so it is a height of the triangle. The moment you draw this height, see this length AC, that is whose length is B, get divided into two parts. Say this part is X, that is CD is X, then this should be B minus X. Okay. I think this is clear. So now let us see. So in the triangle, the length of the three sides is given. A, B, C. BC is A, AC is B, and AB is C. Sorry. Now, to find the area of the triangle, we need to find the height of the triangle. So height means BD is the height of the triangle. You need to find this. So what we do, we draw a perpendicular from B to the base AC, intersecting AC at D. So this is intersecting AC at D. Now, so BD, which is the height, we call it as the H. So BD is the height and it is denoted by the letter H. Now, as you draw the perpendicular, we get two triangles, two right triangles, that is BDC and BDA. We get two right triangles. So in these two right triangles, let us apply Pythagoras theorem. So here we have taken length of CD as X and length of AD as B minus X. Now, if you take this triangle, that is BDC, here ABC is the hypotenuse and this is the perpendicular side. Therefore, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, you get a square is equal to x square plus h square. So in this triangle, a square is equal to h square plus h square, which is written here. Now let us find h square is equal to. H square will be, take x this side, it become h square is equal to a square minus x square. Now apply the same Pythagoras theorem to this side triangle. So here C is the hypotenuse. So now we take triangle BDA. So in triangle BDA, C square is equal to B minus X whole square plus H square. Again here we find H square. So H square is equal to C square minus B minus X whole square. So I got two values of H square. Here also I am getting H square. Here also I get H square. Let us equate these two. Now see, when we equate, this is H square one value, this is the other value of H square. Let us equate the values of H square. Both let us write them one in front of each other. So it will become A square minus X square is equal to C square minus B minus X whole square. Let us apply A minus B whole square identity to this. What will happen? It will be B square plus X square minus 2BX. And this remains as it is. Let's open the bracket now. Open the bracket, minus b square minus x square plus bx. Okay. Now, x square is here. Here also you have x square. X square will cancel. And we will be left with a square this side, b square plus x square, c square minus b square plus 2bx. Okay. Now let us take these two terms this side. This is negative. This when it goes inside, it becomes positive. So a square plus b square minus c square. So it will be a square plus b square minus c square is equal to 2bx. So we want to find x here. So let us take these two below this. So it will become x is equal to a square plus b square minus c square upon 2b. Okay. Now, this is the value of x. But see, this is what we have got here. H square is equal to a square minus x square. But h square is equal to a square minus x square. And this is a square minus b square identity. So if you're using the identity a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b, we can write this as h square is equal to a plus x, a minus x. Now I have just calculated the value of x here. Let us put into this and simplify it. So substituting the value of x, that is a square plus b square minus x square upon 2b in the h square formula. So h square is equal to a plus x, a minus x, the same value. So here this is positive, so we take LCM here. So it will become 2ab into this. So this you multiply here, it becomes 2ab plus a square plus b square minus c square upon 2b. Here, first let us open the bracket. So this is 2 into AB is 2AB minus A square minus B square plus C square. Okay. Now you see here, this is A square plus B square plus 2AB. This is an identity, isn't it? So, and here again, A square B square 2AB. This is also an identity. So if you write this first and just modify, see how it looks. That is put this in a bracket. So 2ab plus a square plus b square minus c square. First write c square and let's put minus sign here. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is, it will become a plus b whole square minus c square upon 2b. C square minus a minus b whole square upon 2b. Okay. Now a plus b, a minus b, it is identity. We use this. So it becomes a plus b plus c whole square minus plus c and a plus b plus c minus c upon 2b. Here it is c plus a minus b, c minus a plus b. Okay. So this is the thing. So 2b and 2b. So if you take h square will be, you will take the whole thing together. That means a plus b plus c, a b plus c. I'm just rearranging it. B plus c minus a. So you see here b plus c and c plus a. You see, rearranging the whole thing. Okay. So we get, take the root of this whole thing. We get it in this form, that is root of this remains root only, but square root of 4 is 2 and b square is only b. Okay. Now, let us, this is the value of h we have get. Now let us see. H value I got it like this. Now, let us consider something called half the perimeter, and that is denoted by as S. Okay, when you take it as half the perimeter, S is a perimeter is a plus b plus c, that is the sum of the three sides divided by 2. It is half the perimeter. Let us take 2 this side, so it becomes 2s is equal to a plus b plus c. Okay, if this is what we got, then you see I take a this side, it becomes 2s minus a is equal to b plus c. Then I take b this side, it becomes 2s minus b is equal to a plus c. Then I take c this side, it becomes 2s minus c is equal to a plus b. Okay, so these are the 4 values which we have got. Putting all these values in this h. See how it takes. Substitute the value above values in h. When you value it, see, this is your h value. So this is A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is 2S. So write here 2S. Okay. We have written this as 2S. B plus C. B plus C is 2S minus A. So 2S minus A, and there is one A minus A. C plus A. C plus A is 2S minus B. 2S minus B, and this B has it is. A plus B is 2S minus C. So 2S minus C minus C. So you have got 2 minus A's, 2 minus B's, 2 minus C's. So it will take the form 2S, 2S minus 2A, 2S minus 2B, 2S minus 2C upon 2B. Whole thing inside the root sign. So this will be, now let us take out 2 common from this. If you take out 2 common bracket from this first bracket, it becomes S minus A. Take out 2 common from this. It is S into S minus B. Again, take out 2 common from this. It is 2 into S minus C. So when you are taken 2 common, 2 common, 2 common, 2 common. So what will happen? See here. Each pair 1, 2 comes out. Therefore, there are 2 2's, and inside the bracket root of S, S minus A, S minus B. See, here there was an S, here 1, 2. So these from these 2 2's, 1, 2 comes out. Here there was a 2, and here also there is a 2. From this 2, one more 2 comes outside the root sign. So you got 2 into the whole root upon 2b. This 2 cancels with this 2. So there's only this much remains. So what is the S value is? H is equal to 2 root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C upon B. This is the value of S. Now what are we interested? We are interested in finding the area of the triangle. Area of a triangle is half base into height. So height you have just calculated and half base. So it will be half into base into 2 into root of this whole thing. So this 2 cancels with this 2, B cancels with this B. Now I left with this much. So your left is area is equal to square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is the Heron's formula. I think this proof is quite clear. Now I want you to see he has used the concept of semi-perimeter. Why semi-perimeter? Why not try with perimeters? So what if we use perimeter of the triangle instead of semi-perimeter? Because he has used the word S, which is semi-perimeter. Let us see how will the formula be. So our H value is this. Now let us see how it is be. Our H value is this. Now what is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of the 3 sides of the triangle. So that means perimeter is A plus B plus C. Now if I write P minus A is B plus C, P minus B is A plus C, P minus C is A plus B. Let's put this value in this. See how it takes P, P minus A minus A, P minus B minus B, P minus C minus C. So it will be P into P minus 2A, P minus 2B, P minus 2C upon 2B. This is the area, height of the triangle. Now area is half base into height. That is half into base into this. So here B cancels and 2 into 2, 4 it becomes. So it will become P root of P minus 2A, P minus 2B, P minus 2C upon 4. So this could look slightly complicated because you have got a root also. You have to divide it by 4, multiply this 4. So that's why I think Herons must have used semi-perimeter instead of perimeter so that the formula becomes easy. But what is it I want is, I want you to always ask why. Why has this been done? Only then you will really understand what is the actual purpose of using this. Here you simply use a semi-perimeter. If you are able to think why it has been done, you will enjoy solving mathematics problem and you will find maths very easy. I hope you liked it. So I want you to click on the subscribe button and the like button. So that, and you can also share it with your friends. Any doubts on this topic, you can just write to me. My mobile number is given on the starting page. So you think. So I think you will like that. So this is what. Thank you.